Hey, it's the girl K Cash. You know what? I'm back at it again. This time I have no lashes on my eyes, so I'm not look naked. But it's okay. It's really okay because I was not gonna put my lashes on for this video. Like, I need to stop doing that because I really need to stop. But I'm just this is just an intro video for this video I'm about to put for y'all. When I do like my 30-minute videos to talk about certain things with y'all, I'll put the lashes on. But right now, this is an intro to what this video is going to be about. This video is in reference to how I got this installed. So the back of my hair is sewed in. This is not a wig. I know how to make wigs. I actually know how to make wigs. I'm going to start making wigs so I can start selling them online. But right now, this video isn't about the wigs I make. This is a video about how I install a glueless frontal install. Mind you, this is with glue, so y'all can see this is with glue. But the video I'm going to show y'all is with no glue, but it's the same here. So what happened was it was glueless at first, and it was too much work for me to maintain every day because it's sewed in. I don't have time to keep maintaining it. So what I did was I glued it on. So if you did want for something like, say for instance you had a wig, this glueless method will work best with a wig, not sewing. It will not work best with a sewing or like bundles. It works for like temporary use, but for like regular wigs, if you want a glueless method, the way I'm about to do this is what you should do, okay? So I hope you guys like the video. It is probably less than 10 minutes, I believe so. If I'm not correct, please, it's okay, you'll survive. But this is the kinky curly hair. I did cut it, like I did chop it off like a lot. See, I cut it a lot. It was like right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it was really long. It was actually 24 inches and I loved it so much. But because my top was 18 inch and the bottom was 24 inch, so I had like this thing right here and like going on like that, and I was not with it. So I was just like, we're just gonna keep it short. And I'm so in love. I'm so in love with this hair. Like, y'all, this is like my dream goal of my real natural hair. Like it's so funny because this is what I always wanted for my natural hair, and I actually got it through this look. So I'm really excited. I'm really excited. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I'll be doing more videos of me installing my hairs. So you guys, it's fast. It's a fast video. I'm not gonna do like slow videos. It's really like concept wise, you understand, 3 layers, boom. It shows you. It's long enough for you to get the grips, and it's a voiceover, so I will be talking over the video so you guys will understand what I'm doing in that time frame. But I really hope you guys do enjoy this video. I did take my time out to do this for y'all. I really do like doing videos like that because that was still how I started my other YouTube before. But for this YouTube channel, it was mainly about business and, you know, promoting your company. And this is part of my business wear because it's front extension hair. What else better way to show you what's actually here? Like, this is the kinky curly. Come on, y'all. Get into the look. Seriously, y'all. All right, y'all. So, by the way, I'm also going to start trying to install lace frontals. So, I've been practicing, y'all. I've been practicing with the glue thing, whatever the case is. So, my ultimate goal is by 2 months from now, I'll be stellar at installing lace front wigs because I know a lot of people have been asking me if I do that, and I tell them no, because I didn't want to play people's hair, especially with their wigs, because that's their money. But you know my dog Erica J, she give you that jump for free online. So I learned these new methods, and I think I'm going to become the person I need to be to hit that $100,000 goal by the end of this year. All right, so with that being said, I am out and about. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Once again, it's your girl K Cash Noel, TTYL.
I'm on this licking this weed just to balance. Remember people telling me I couldn't have this. They told me that I would never ever be shit. Now my watch and my chain make them seasick. Yeah, it took a little minute, but it's worth the wait. Every day starting to feel like a birthday. Niggas tried this shit on me in the worst way, but I kept that shit 100 since the first day. I deserve it all.
All right, you guys. So you know what the drill is. We're about to go ahead and use this cream stuff to go ahead and bleach the knots. I'm gonna give you a quick confession. Put my timer on and everything, and I still over bleach because I legit thought it would be cool to let it bleach a little bit extra, 5 more minutes, and was not. So right now what I'm doing is pretty much simply braiding my hair down into like I believe it's like 10 cornrows. I'm not too sure. I didn't count, but I did make it very flat. So this is how I braid my hair when I put my wigs on, and also when I sew my hair in. This is like the every way braiding method for me. So in the end, after I'm done braiding my whole hair, I do grease it up because my scalp be acting dry every second. Like you could have saw at the beginning, it was really dry as heck. And I was like, girl, no. So what I do is I braid all the loose ends together. Then I sew it up like so. And once I'm done with that, I go ahead and completely sew it down so it can have like a little bar on the bottom. So y'all, don't mind me. I'm in my car recording this right now because I'm waiting for this store to open back up. So don't mind me. Right now, what I'm doing right now is I'm using the elastic band to measure my... That's so weird because the video seems so backwards. To measure my head, but this is exactly how I did it. But I measure my my frontal length. I don't know how to explain it, but you know what I mean. You'll see it. And I'm gonna sew it in from each end to each end. So right now what I'm doing is I am pre-plucking my hair. So I want to give it that natural hairline look. So I'm gonna go ahead and pre-pluck it. And I do leave a little bit of hair out in the front and then pre-pluck it that way. But that's how it came out to give me that natural look. So right here, I didn't apply a lot of makeup on my hair cap. What I was doing was I sprayed it with the Got To Be glue spray. And then I went ahead, once I did that, I put the makeup on first, then Got To Be glue spray to so it could stick to give that nice natural look. But the thing is, you also got to put some, I didn't put enough. I just put a little bit. I was too scared to put too much makeup on because I didn't want to mess up the frontal, but I ended up messing up anyways. But as you guys can see, I was able to sew in that elastic band to the frontal part. Now I'm sewing the rest of the back of my hair up. I'm showing you the last bit I had. The kinky curly hair I have in my head is 24 inch. The one that you're seeing right now in the back, it is 24 inch. And in the front is 18 inch for the frontal. So I did have to cut it, as I mentioned in the beginning, because it was way too long. But it was so pretty when it was wet. But it didn't look cute when it was dry. It looked crazy. And I can't walk around like that. Right now I'm applying mousse on the front of my frontal here. And like I told y'all, if I had placed more makeup on this, it would look way much prettier. But it was not it. I had to have my little sister help me so I could tie this up with my Florence extension scarves. If you guys want some, it's online right now for $5. I also did use my mascara to clean up the over bleached areas in the middle. This is how it looks when I take it off, but the sides still were not as pretty as I needed them to be. So I went ahead and redid the same process again overnight, and this is how it looked like. See? You like? And that's how you do a glueless install. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.